Here are 10 heartfelt testimonials from clients following Session 3 of Unity Field Healing, focusing on the intentions they brought into the session and the resulting transformations in physical, emotional, and spiritual healing.
I came into Session 3 with the intention of releasing the physical pain in my lower back. During the session, I felt a warmth radiating through that area, and since then, my pain has reduced significantly. Emotionally, I feel lighter, like I let go of old worries, and spiritually, I'm experiencing a renewed connection to my inner guidance. This journey has been truly life-changing.
My intention was to heal the grief I've been holding on to. During the session, I felt a gentle presence supporting me, and afterward, my heart felt lighter. I also noticed that my digestion, which has always been a challenge, has improved. Spiritually, I feel a new level of peace and acceptance. I'm so grateful for this deep, transformative healing.
I wanted to work on my chronic fatigue in this session, and since then, my energy has noticeably improved. Emotionally, I feel more stable and positive, which is something I haven't felt in a long time. I also feel more connected to my purpose and my spiritual path. Unity Field Healing has given me new hope and a sense of wholeness.
This session was all about letting go of fear for me. I set the intention to release this, and during the session I felt a strong sense of calm. Since then, my anxiety has almost disappeared, and physically I feel stronger and more alive. Spiritually, I feel more connected to my higher self. I am endlessly thankful for this healing journey.
I came into this session with the intent to address tension in my shoulders and neck. During the session, I felt a relaxing energy moving through me, and the tightness has released significantly. Emotionally, I feel more at ease, and spiritually, I feel closer to my authentic self. This experience has been nothing short of profound.
My intention was to heal an old emotional wound, and I was amazed by how much healing took place. I felt like a burden was lifted, and since the session, I haven't experienced the chest tightness that used to come with my stress. Spiritually, I'm feeling a deeper sense of peace and alignment with my purpose. I'm so grateful for this beautiful process.
I came into Session 3 hoping to feel more grounded and physically strong. Afterward, my chronic knee pain had noticeably eased, and I feel a new sense of calm and balance. Spiritually, I'm finding a deeper connection to the present moment, which feels so freeing. This healing journey has been a true blessing.
My intention for this session was to release anger I'd been holding on to. During the session, I felt a wave of compassion wash over me, and now I feel lighter and more accepting. Physically, my digestion, which has always been affected by stress, has improved. Spiritually, I feel more aligned with my true self. I am truly grateful for this healing journey.
I focused on healing a sense of unworthiness in this session, and I felt an incredible warmth and reassurance during the experience. Since then, I've noticed that my chronic neck pain has improved, and I feel more empowered and connected to my heart. Spiritually, I feel a profound sense of love and acceptance. Unity Field Healing has given me a beautiful sense of renewal.
These testimonials reflect clients' gratitude and the remarkable shifts experienced in physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects, all aligned with their intentions for Session 3 of Unity Field Healing. To learn more, please visit us at www.unityfieldhealing.com.